Hey everybody, Gul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cybersecurity with a look at the essential tools every penetration tester needs. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting your journey, these tools will be invaluable for identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities. Smash that like button for the algorithm, and let's get started. First up, we have Wireshark. It's a powerful traffic sniffer that captures and analyzes every single packet of data traversing your network. By analyzing this data, you can uncover hidden patterns, identify suspicious activity, and pinpoint vulnerabilities. We're talking about seeing things like unencrypted passwords and sensitive information being transmitted in plain text. Trust me, if you're serious about cybersecurity, Wireshark is your new best friend. Next, we have Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. This tool is like having a detailed map of a city, but instead of streets and buildings, you see all the devices and services running on your network. Nmap scans your network and tells you what hosts are alive, what operating systems they're running, and what ports are open. This information is crucial for identifying potential vulnerabilities and securing your systems. Knowing your vulnerabilities is half the battle won. Now let's talk about Netsparker, a web application security scanner. Netsparker automatically crawls through your web application, testing for a wide range of vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. It not only identifies vulnerabilities but also provides detailed reports and suggests remediation steps. It's like having a security consultant built right into the tool. Moving on to a heavy hitter Burp Suite. It's an integrated platform packed with tools for every stage of a penetration test, from mapping out the attack surface to intercepting and modifying traffic, fuzzing for vulnerabilities, and even exploiting those vulnerabilities. Burp Suite has a user-friendly interface and tons of online resources to help you get started. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Burp Suite is essential for web application security. Now imagine having all your cybersecurity tools neatly organized in one central location. That's the idea behind CyberCore. It's a comprehensive cybersecurity platform that offers tools for penetration testing, vulnerability management, and security assessments. You've got vulnerability scanners, exploit databases, reporting tools, and collaboration features. CyberCore is scalable and customizable, fitting the needs of any organization. Let's talk about web server security with NCTO, an open-source scanner. NCTO comes preloaded with thousands of checks for common vulnerabilities, outdated software versions, and insecure configuration files. It's like having a team of security auditors combing through your server. NCTO is incredibly fast and efficient, completing scans in minutes. It gives you quick and actionable insights into your web server's security posture. Metasploit framework is like the ultimate hacker's playground. It's a powerful open-source platform for developing and executing exploit code against vulnerable systems. Think of it as a vast library of pre-built exploits, payloads, and tools. Metasploit is invaluable for security professionals who need to simulate real-world attacks and test the effectiveness of their security controls. But be warned, this tool requires a deep understanding of networking, operating systems, and security concepts. Moving on to another powerhouse, Nessus. This vulnerability scanner identifies potential security holes in your networks and applications. Nessus provides detailed reports, risk scores, and remediation advice. It's like having a personal security consultant telling you exactly what needs to be fixed. Nessus is constantly updated with the latest vulnerability information, keeping you one step ahead of the bad guys. Let's face it, passwords are often the weakest link in any security chain. John the Ripper is a password cracker that tests the strength of your passwords and uncovers weak ones. It's a tool for ethical hackers and security professionals to test the strength of their own systems. John the Ripper uses techniques like dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and rainbow tables to crack passwords. It's like having a team of expert code breakers working tirelessly to unlock your passwords. Next up is THC Hydra, a tool that uses brute force techniques to try different username and password combinations. If Hydra can crack your passwords, then attackers can too. It's a wake-up call to strengthen your passwords and implement multi-factor authentication. Hydra supports various protocols like Telnet, FTP, HTTP, and more. It's like having a master key that can try to unlock any door in your digital fortress. Now let's talk about Zap, the Z-Attack proxy. This open-source tool helps web developers find and fix security vulnerabilities in their applications before they go live. Zap works by intercepting and analyzing the traffic between your browser and the web application. It actively scans for vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Zap is completely free to use and integrates seamlessly with popular development environments. Finally, we have SQLMap, a tool designed for vulnerabilities. SQLMap helps you find and exploit backdoors in your database. It's an invaluable tool for ethical hackers and security professionals to test the security of their own databases. SQLMap ensures that your valuable data is protected from SQL injection attacks. And there you have it. Those are just a few of the essential tools that every penetration tester needs to know. Remember, these tools are incredibly powerful and can be used for both good and bad. Use these tools responsibly, ethically, and always with proper authorization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching.